Howdy! For the competition today, we developed Hop to It, your new roadmap for learning. To start off, what is Hop to It? Hop to It is a platform that allows users to delve into and learn about any topic they want to. Many people have a plethora of interests in different topics and skills. However, with so many resources available at our fingertips, it can be hard to figure out where to start. Hop to It removes this decision-making process, and using artificial intelligence and the Notion API, it creates an environment that motivates the user to learn. So, how does it work? To start, the user enters a topic they want to learn about, and using artificial intelligence, the program develops a personalized roadmap for the user to follow. This roadmap includes overarching ideas as well as subsections of each of them, with resources and tasks for the user to look over and complete. The user is able to track their progress and completion as they go. They can also import their roadmap into Notion, which allows for continuity between devices and the ability to share with others. So, what challenges did we face? Well, some challenges we ran into was learning how to make API calls and how to implement the Notion API into our program, as well as keeping our tasks and codes separate and working together to resolve merge issues in our code. Along with this, we struggled to create an aesthetically pleasing UI that was also highly functional, as we were trying to really maintain the balance between the two.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and talk about our little showcase. So here you can see our login page. We added user authentication, as users will generally want to, make a account so that they can store their roadmaps and everything, just to make sure that all the information is theirs and that they can access it again at a later time. So afterwards, you can go ahead and log in, and this is what you're shown. Right here, you can ask about literally anything. You can ask about learning, different types of bananas, or maybe something more important, like what is machine learning. Generally, it's just very, very, very useful, as even if you go online, you'll see tons of people asking for roadmaps to learn a bunch of different skills all over Reddit and Instagram and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and ask whatever you want here. And here you're going to go ahead and see that it's loading the learning path, which is the actual kind of design and everything for your roadmap. But once we go ahead and finish that, you can see here, we've already worked a little bit through this one ourselves, but you can see all the different steps that you can actually go through. Each one of these will be helpful. Once you click on one, you can kind of see each of the checkpoints, the inner steps that it actually recommends for you. Each one of these has a time constraint, which is how long it recommends spending on it, and also kind of a little link here so that you can open it up and go to other YouTube videos, as you can see here. There's a bunch of different types of resources, videos, books, etc. We're going to go ahead and go back to the roadmap. And here, once it reloads, you can see our Notion API integration. We can go ahead and click on this little button, and what it actually does is it exports the entire learning path to Notion so that you can use it, keep track of it. Notion is sort of like a database for a large amount of things. So it's just very, very helpful to have these things in your own note-taking system. This is Hop to It. Thank you so much for watching.